I personally absolutely love Middlesex because it gives us opportunity to put our knowledge into practice.
We bought a variety of things to showcase what we have at StoneX. We've got some of our high-fidelity mannequins, which breathe and speak and generate a rhythm. And then we've got some of our more low-fidelity mannequins that people can practice basic life skills on.
We have virtual reality. It's a great way of teaching students the mechanisms of labour. We've also got OMS, which is our Oxford medical simulation. So in this virtual reality, they see a patient, they get a history, they talk to their patient, and they ask questions to the patient. So that simulates what they will be doing in practice.
We're showing off what we can do with our students to enhance their ability as a nurse and to improve patient care.
The biological sciences at Middlesex University offer students a lot of practical experience in top laboratories with cutting-edge equipment, but also to get involved in research that is at the forefront of its field.
Today we're demonstrating a method called neurofeedback. We use little headsets that pick up brain activity at the front of people's scalp, and we use that activity visualized on a computer so they can see their brain states, they can become more mindful or improve their concentration.
In Middlesex, they've got hands-on experiences from my course. We're having more practicals this year, and I think it's really a good opportunity if you want to work as a scientist in the future. In my future job, nobody will ask me to write down the tests or proofs on my theory. They will ask me physically to work on the real data, and I feel like Middlesex prepared me really well for that.